So I was thinking of a very fast and easy way I can come up with our Nigerian egg rolls without using the usual method we all know, and this is what I came up with. I hope you guys stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I achieved these beautiful looking egg rolls. First, I'm going to start by melting the butter. I'm going to add some butter into the bowl and I'm going to put it in the microwave and heat it up for about 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, this is what it looks like. We are going to set that aside. Meanwhile, I've boiled some egg. You need hard-boiled eggs for this recipe. In a bowl, I'm going to add some flour, add some sugar, add some baking powder, some nutmeg, and some salt. The full list of ingredients I used in this video will be listed in the description box below, so you can check it out. To that, I'm going to be adding the melted butter, add some milk to it. I'm going to be using pig evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. It doesn't have to be pig milk, but this will give it a really rich taste. Okay, if you have this pig milk, make sure you use it. You will love the taste. So I'm going to keep adding the milk and mixing it until I achieve the consistency I want. Alright, this is exactly the consistency I'm going for. As you can see, it is not too thick and it is not too watery. Now I'm going to take one egg, roll it in the flour, put it in the butter and mix it up. Just make sure the egg is well coated in the butter. You're going to add it to your heated oil. I've been heating the oil before I started preparing the recipe. So the flour is going to help make the butter stick well on the egg. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but make sure you roll the egg first in some flour before you put it in the butter. Now we are going to fry this until it turns brown to your liking. You guys know I like mine to be really dark and a little bit burnt, so don't mind the color. Just fry it the way you want the color to be. Alright, so this is our egg rolls. I ran out of eggs, so this is what I did with the leftover batter. I just scooped it in the oil and fried them just like that, and this is what it looks like when I cut it. It was very tasty and yummy. I hope you give it a try. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.